In this video, I'm just going to follow up the conversation about if statements regarding else statements. So an if statement, as you know, is a statement that has a line of code happen whenever something else happens. So if, for example, I press my mouse pointer, the rectangle would change color. So right now I have a rectangle that's red, and when I click, nothing happens. It's just a red rectangle in the center of my screen. If I just enter this stuff down here, I could write a line of code like if mouse is pressed, that's one of our mouse commands we talked about earlier, fill 02550, so that's green, like so. But I want it to be red whenever the mouse isn't being pressed, and that's when an else statement comes in. So an else statement must follow an if statement. And there is no parentheses for an else statement, it's just a bracket. And then you would go ahead and put your line of code inside those brackets. So here's what we have. If mouse is being pressed, fill should be green. Else, or at all other times, fill should be red. So that's how an else statement works. It must follow an if statement, and it automatically is affected by the if statement directly above it. So let's see what happens here. When I press, right now, I'm not pressing, so the rectangle is red. And when I click, the rectangle is in fact now green. So red, click, and it's green. And that is exactly what an else statement can be used for in various different scenarios.